Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to my channel Healthy Food Recipes. Today I am going to make everyone's favorite dish, that's chicken curry. Here I am going to make this in a very simple and easy way which everyone can follow at home. So let's just start making it. First of all, preheat a pan and add 3/4 cup of oil in it. Now add chicken almost 1 kg. Fry well until it changes its color. You can use a wok too. It will be easier for you to deep fry chicken in it as it saves a lot of time. Turning the sides of pieces off and on will result in good taste and color. It will take almost 10 to 15 minutes of continuous frying at medium to high flame. When the color of chicken changes to golden brown, just like this, the chicken is crispy golden brown, add ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Fry this paste until it changes its color. Continuous mixing is required after adding this ginger garlic paste. Now adding salt 1 tablespoon. Add red chili powder 1 tablespoon and turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Now give it a good mix. When the chicken absorbs all the spices in it, all we required is to chop 4 to 5 tomatoes. Now add chopped tomatoes in it. After mixing it, cover it with the lid and give steam for 2 to 3 minutes at medium flame. Switch the flame to high level for few seconds and fry tomatoes very well. Now toss it very well, adding green chilies 2 to 3 chopped, and switch off the flame and you are done. So very simple way of making this delicious and yummy chicken karahi is ready to be served hot with naan or chapati. So if you people like this recipe, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Thanks for watching.